For this exercise, browse to your Chapter 6 folder and open the file Chapter 6, Sections, Elevations, Callouts. Sections are a great way to enhance and add detail to your documentation. Because we're using a model, any objects that are shown in the section are a true representation of the objects that are also shown in plan and in the 3D views. The Section tool is found on the View tab in the Create section. To create the section, click on the tool and draw the section by clicking on 2 points. With the section created, you'll notice that we have a crop region that can be dragged. We can double-click on the section head to show the view. Here we have the section through the building. As you can see, we've got properties for the scale, the level of detail, and its graphic display options, just the same way as we have for any other type of view. The region bounding the view, when selected, can be stretched so that it bounds the areas that we want to display. From your project browser, double-click on the HVAC Level 3 documentation view. Here we can see the section, and as you can see, the section crop regions are displayed in the drawing area. We may wish to modify this by dragging the section head down and possibly moving it across so that it's a true representation of what we're looking at. We could also drag the far end. Notice also that when the section has been created, it's been created as a mechanical section, although the sub-discipline hasn't yet been set. We can do that by selecting the section in the project browser, going to the Properties palette, and changing the sub-discipline to HVAC documentation. We could also do this using view templates, which we will discuss in later videos. Back in the project browser, we can now see that the section is listed underneath HVAC documentation. Other tools that are available for the section include flipping the section's direction. If we go and open the section again, the section has changed. Let's take a look at that again by opening up the Level 3 documentation view and tiling those 2 views. Here in plan we can see the section, and on the right hand side of the screen, the section. Select the section in plan and click on the Flip Section toggle. The view is instantly updated. Also, with the section selected, we can use the Split Segment tool. This allows us to manipulate the section so that it doesn't run in a straight line. Notice that the section updates as soon as we make the change. Another feature of the section is that because this section is a mechanical section, the section head and the section lines don't actually come up in any other discipline. The level head, as you can see when we scroll in, has no detail to it. But if we were to create a sheet or open an existing sheet and drag that section from the project browser onto the sheet, go back and open the Level 3 documentation view, and the section information is filled in. If the drawing number changes, say for example we change this to H501, then the reference changes in the section.